I wanna show you how to add that zoom in on part of video clip in Premiere Pro. Let's go! You have already added your video clip to your timeline. Go to the Effects Control panel and you will see there is a timestamp for your video clip. You can move it along the line to the position where you want that your effect will start. Following, double click on the video preview window and you will see that there is a blue border will appear, along with a blue circle in the center of the screen. Drag the blue circle to the point where you want that the zoom will focus. After that, click on the scale, the stopwatch icon will appear. Move your timeline playhead ahead to few seconds and increase the scale to the value that you want. In my case, I would increase it to 200. In this way, we are going to add another keyframe. Perfect. Everything is ready. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.